some goat meat cooking. Tika goat meat sa. Oh, tuan lola. Anyway, it's a good juice ayo. Tuan lola. Di Florida. Ma pete vyen nan swe la e pi kon ya de mestye ma mette dlo la dan. This is gonna be so good. Pretty good. I like to let the meat get some color, and then now I'm going to put it back in the sauce. Let me taste this. This is so good. Really good. Now I pour it back in the sauce. I like my meat dark. You know, if it's not, then it grosses me out. It feels like it's undercooked. And I kind of like when my goat meat has some bone, because I get to get all the bone marrow out of this. So good. So I'm going to put this on high and let it cook all the way. This is the final stage of the goat meat. It's cooked, delicious. Guys, I'm gonna eat this goodness with some sweet potato and then some potatoes. Those potatoes are really good. Look at the meat, falls off the bone, so good. Using my left hand. Oh my God. So much bones on this thing here. Oh my gosh. This is so good. It's cooked to perfection. And then some potatoes here. I'm going to enjoy this. This is so good. So delicious. I'm not buying meat at that place anymore. It's too much bones and it's expensive. But I have to say though, I think that this meat tastes better than the other place I normally get it from. So we'll see. Oh, look at this piece. Oh my gosh. Look at this baby. Yum yum.